Let's find the average rate of change of something. So for any 2 points, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, the average rate of change can be found using this formula. The average rate of change equals the change in y over the change in x, or y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. This probably looks very familiar. This is the slope formula. And at the end, we'll see that we are actually calculating the slope of a special line. If we are using function notation, and we have a function f of x, and 2 points on that function, a comma f of a, and b comma f of b, then we can use the formula that the average rate of change equals f of b minus f of a over b minus a. We're probably going to focus on that first equation. So for our example, we're going to look at a graph in a moment of cell phone usage per month. And here we have days on our horizontal axis and gigabytes on our vertical axis. And we want to find the average rate of change in the function from t, or time, equals 10 to t equals 30. We could also write this as on the interval, or over the interval, from 10 to 30. Okay, so on the graph we have 2 points. We have 10 comma 0.8, and we have 30 comma 1.8. This is an x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. So our average rate of change is found by taking our y values, 1.8, and subtracting them, minus 0.8. And in our denominator, we're subtracting the x values, 30 minus 10. This gives us 1 over 20, or since we're looking for our rate, 0.05 gigabytes per day. So our average rate of change is 0.05 gigabytes per day. If we look at the line connecting those 2 points, shown here in green, this is the secant line to the function that goes through those 2 points. And we just found the slope of that secant line.